July 16th, 2012. The Petermann Glacier in northwest Greenland lost a massive iceberg for the second time in 3 years. As the ice floating in the fjord broke up, the ice island was carried by the currents down the glacier's outlet channel and toward the Nares Strait. Known as Petermann Ice Island 2012, it is bigger than Manhattan Island and floating at 1 kilometer per day. NASA's Aqua and Terra satellites make multiple passes each day over the polar regions, which allowed scientists to track the island whenever clouds didn't block the view. Scientists have been watching this crack develop since 2001. Ocean temperatures are one of the factors determining when glaciers will calve an iceberg. The warmer water destabilizes the ice. After 2 months at sea, Petermann Ice Island 2012 had begun to fragment as it floated down the Nares Strait.